Hi guys, good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you and share with you my recipes pumpkin soup. So with the zucchini, our lunch and dinner. So pumpkin is very healthy and zucchini, and I'm going to add garlic, ginger, onions, and spring onions, and I'm going to use olive oil. So let's get started guys. Samahan nyo po akong magluto.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, I'm back. Our pumpkin cream soup is already finished. In Tagalog, tapos na po yung ating pagluluto ng kalabasa cream soup. So, ito na po siya. Look at that. So, hayan na po yung finished product natin. May healthy kalabasa cream soup, anti-cancer. So, we are going now to eat. I'm going to taste that one. So, I'm going to taste that one, guys. Now, I'm going to taste. Delicious, yummy, healthy. So guys, thank you for watching and have a good day.